Gusii music is international, but we have not really invested and put in the work to put it on a global platform.
What are we lacking?
We're lacking, let me say, lack of funds.
Funds.
I don't know if I'm speaking for everybody or I'm speaking for myself.
Now, sasa ongelea wasanii. Kwa nini wana wasanii wangu? Generalize sasa yeka pamoja.
Okay, generally, I say abasanii bari na interact na barabo. Tunaogopa kuspend. Ama hatuna pesa ya kuspend. Yeah. So I feel like kama tungekuwa open-minded, kujua music is just a career like every other career that you could invest in, I feel like tungeweza kusonga mbele. But kwa wale wenye wanaweza kuinvest, I think it is a very good opportunity for us to invest.
Yes.
A lot of people listen. Ukiangalia, mimi personally nikiangalia statistics za my YouTube, or like my DSP distribution platforms.
Yes.
Most of my fans are not even Kenyans. Yeah, so I believe tuko na the power, tuko na the zeal to get our music international, but we're not putting in a little bit more investment in it so that ikwe kwa a bigger platform.
So kuna effort yenye kuna.
Yes.
All right.